Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Lama from Home Synchronize. Today I want to share with you a super easy way to paint calligraphy on glass. This is a great project for beginners and you don't even need a stencil. So let's get started. You'll need a black and white print of any Islamic calligraphy design. I used Bismillah Rahman Raheem in Kufic calligraphy style. You'll need glass paint. I like the one from Plaid, and you just need a frame. After you clean and dry the glass from the frame, place it over the printed calligraphy. Make sure that it's leveled and exactly where you want the calligraphy design to be. Then secure it in place with masking tape. This is an important step because you don't want any shifts while you're painting, because that will distort the design. We're going to be tracing directly onto the glass, so there's no room for mistakes. Now finally, start painting. Simply trace the design by filling in the color. This glass paint from Plaid works great because of the tip that acts like a brush, and because it's thick enough so it doesn't run. And because of its thickness, I didn't have to use an outliner. I could if I wanted, but I wanted that free, fun look. And this paint helps me achieve it. That's it, all done. This was so simple to do, which makes it perfect for beginners. Leave it to dry overnight, then put it back in a frame. I added a solid color glitter paper background to allow the calligraphy to shine. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.